What's the meaning of Astronomer Royal? Astronomer Royal. Astronomer Royal.
Astronomer Royal. Astronomer Royal. The Astronomer Royal is a prestigious post within the royal household of the United Kingdom. The primary responsibility of the Astronomer Royal is to oversee the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London, which houses one of the world's most famous telescopes, the 28-inch refracting telescope. They also carry out research in astronomy and related fields, provide scientific advice to the government, and represent the UK internationally in matters related to astronomy. The position is appointed by the monarch with guidance from the Prime Minister, and appointees typically remain in the post for several years.